In this video, we are going to see how we can stop the emails going to the spam folder in a Gmail. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So if you are in your inbox and you need to head over to see the spam emails, you click on more on the left hand side and we will choose spam folder from here. Now, all of these emails are marked automatically by Gmail as spam. So if any of them are not spam, what you can do is just choose that specific sender and we mark that as not spam. So let's say, for example, this one, we click on not spam and it will move it back to your inbox just like so. But that is not enough because it will not prevent future emails from that specific sender from going to spam. So what you instead do is, let's say I select this sender in spam and mark it as not spam. It appears here. We open that sender now in inbox and we copy that specific email and we need to add this as contact. So we click on this multi dots on the right hand side, which is for the Google apps. We click on that and we just find the contacts here. So scroll all the way down to this section where it says contacts. Click on that and we basically need to add those as a contact. So click on create contact, click on create contact again, and we can add their name, their last name, and most importantly their email ID. We click on save and we just simply close out of here. So most likely after that is done, it will no longer move it automatically to the spam because now it's a known contact. And the last one is even more guaranteed than the previous one methods. So if we copy this email and we click on the three dots and click on filter messages like these, and it's automatically added in the email. We click on create filter and we must click here, never send it to spam. So this way, if any specific sender is always going to spam, it will never go to spam after that. You click on create filter and you will always receive that emails directly in inbox from that specific sender. So that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.